members, today we are making these chocolate-covered marshmallow Easter baskets. We will be using jumbo marshmallows, chocolate to melt, licorice. Here I have these red vines licorice, but they break a bit because they aren't as flexible, as you can see here. So I recommend these type of Twizzlers. Next you will need parchment paper and sprinkles. Specifically 2 types, one smaller kind for decoration on your basket and one with large sprinkles which are going to go inside your basket. Start by melting your chocolate. A bowl works, but a mug works a lot better because it's easier to dip. Keep in mind your marshmallows will not be perfect because most marshmallows aren't perfectly shaped. Take your marshmallows and cut 2 slits on both sides of the top. Cut your Twizzlers to size because they will be your handles. If you cut them in half, your handles will be smaller. If you cut only a bit off the end, your handle will be longer. You can make different kinds. Dip in both ends of your Twizzlers in chocolate and stick both ends into a slit you made in the marshmallows. Place them on parchment paper. Repeat for however many baskets you want to make and let the chocolate harden. Don't mind if it's a little messy because we're going to cover it all anyways. Now that it's dry, dip your marshmallow in chocolate using the Twizzler to hold it and try to get as much excess chocolate off. You don't want it to thicken too much or it won't take its shape. I use the edge of the mug to wipe extra chocolate off. Now place it back on parchment paper. Repeat for the rest of your baskets. It's okay if you don't dunk your marshmallow all the way into the chocolate and the top of the marshmallow is still showing because we will add chocolate later. I added my smaller sprinkles all over the marshmallows before the chocolate hardened as decoration to my basket. Make sure they harden and you are able to pick them up because now we are going to dip the marshmallow handle end. Now dip it in and try to reach the mouth of your basket or the top of the marshmallow. Place on parchment paper again, but before it hardens, add your bigger sprinkles to the inside of your basket and you can even add sprinkles to decorate the handles. Let them harden fully. I added some chocolate eggs to the inside as well and placed them on edible Easter grass. They are completely edible and such a cute festive treat. I hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye!